So we're on the Nevada side, the east shore, headed north.
Yep.
We launched at Sand Harbor, and we're just paddling up the shoreline. And now we've spotted a duck. There are 2 ducks there now.
Not just any duck, designer ducks, mergansers.
Merganser couple on Lake Tahoe, living the Tahoe life. Oh! Check out this super fast speedboat. Jeez. A little school of fish. Trying to get cool underwater GoPro shots.
Because we're passing a school of fish right now. Yeah, they're getting bigger, it seems like. Oh no, get that trash. Grab it. Look. Did I get it? I got it.
Keep Tahoe blue, wife burger. Doing your part.
Trying.
I wonder if Tessie, the Tahoe nest monster, will
The Tahoe nest monster.
will seek shade under our boat.
I'm adventuring.
We pulled our boat up. We found a little place in between some of these boulders, so we just pulled our boat up and stretching our legs and adventuring a little bit, and also draining the water from our boat. Yeah, look at you. This is the spot right here.
We can get even closer. Look at over there. Can I do it? Is it scary? Maybe. Oh, there's spiders. Oh, there's spiders.
They don't scare me anymore since we've been living with them for a day back at camp. Cool little hangout spot. Not quite a lunch spot, but just a break spot.
Lunch will be at the next spot.
Let's go. All right, onward.
Okay. Oh my God, are they gonna go on either side of us?
Are they gonna split us?
Split? I don't know.
I feel like they're all, I don't know, they're one by one saying something to us.
Uh-huh.
All right, the caboose. There they go.
All right, twice around this rock.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Great. Then we are tied down. All right, we've stopped for lunch. It's picnic time. The husband burger's starting with a banana. Yum. And I've got turkey and Swiss on multi-grain with spinach. And this is our view. And our table is this amazing rock.
We've been paddling for a couple hours.
We have, and we're just gonna spend some time here eating and recreating. I think we might take a little dip right here.
This is a great
It
spot.
looks pretty nice to swim right here. It's cold, but it feels kind of good. Look at the colors of the blue. I mean, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see the turquoise colors that we're looking at out here. Whoa. I mean, isn't that gorgeous? And then the snow-capped mountains back there. Oh, look at the turquoise out there. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. All right. Time to eat. Yum. cold?
It's cold, but I mean,
like super cold?
I can touch right here.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. This is amazing to see you swimming in
It's
there.
definitely cold. Yeah. See, it's not bad.
I'm doing it. Oh my god. I'm here. It's cold. It is cold. It's cold.
On the torso, it's pretty cold. I can kind of handle it on my leg.
Yeah, on the bottom half it's okay.
Yeah. Ooh, this is a
But
good.
actually, yeah, it's nice. I'm glad we're doing it.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I'm so glad we got
I'm so
it.
happy that we're here splashing around in Lake Tahoe.
Oh, this is great. Thinking about getting back in the yak and going around the bend here.
I think we should head up to Hidden Beach first and then turn around and make our way back south.
That sounds great. Yeah, that sounds great.
Great, let's start packing up.
Let's do it. All right, we made it.
We made it to Hidden Beach. Our turnaround point for the first leg of our paddle.
Dude, this is a beautiful beach.
Isn't it amazing? Well, this is like tropical.
Yeah.
Look, there's a little cave right there. It goes all the way through, it looks like.
That's awesome. Let's go look at that cave.
Let's go. Not that bad. I've had more things to stand up bodega bar. Stay there.
Hey. Wow. This is cool.
Wow.
Crystal blue waters.
Amazing. This is so beautiful. We're going in. Woo! It's still cold, but it feels really good.
Wow, yeah, this is great. I still think I'm like no torso. I'm just, I can't do the torso. It's got to stay in the sun, but I can do the lower half.
Yeah.
Yeah, the torso.
Torso is cold.
Yeah, yeah.
But it feels really good. Woo! And now I can ride the little waves in.
Yeah.
Woo! It's amazing to be in this turquoise water. Like, just, I want to put my body in it.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful, so it feels good.
Taking us into the abyss.
Yeah. I think we're officially over the abyss. I bet this part of the lake is extremely deep. Hundreds of feet deep.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I was gonna say 100, if not hundreds.
Hundreds, I
Yeah.
would say, yeah. This is most definitely the blue abyss now. We are here.
Yeah.
We have arrived. All right, so now we're definitely in the abyss. I mean, we could go further towards the center of the lake, but it's already very deep and we will eventually have to paddle back, so. Look at the color of this.
Is a beautiful blue.
Look at this, wow. Okay, let's see what's underneath there. Look at this color. I mean, I think I keep on saying it, but seriously, look.
This is ultra turquoise. Yeah. Wow. That's right. That's deep. That's probably 15 feet deep, 20 feet deep. Jeez.
This is what's going on there, don't you? Look at the fish. You can see them so well right here.
Oh, so well. This is so clear. This water is so clear. This is amazing. cool spot.
We're tucked in back there in that cave.
Yeah, this is cool.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared. No, I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
Whoa, look at this.
Look at how cool it is. Wow. It's been fun to have the fish as our constant companions. They've been with us everywhere.
They sure have.
And they're here too. You can see them really well now. All of a sudden.
Whoa. All of a sudden, we crossed the threshold.
And again, this is why people come to Sand Harbor. This is why people come here.
I can't get over this. Can you laugh? Oh my god.
Beautiful. Breathtaking.
Every bit of it has been beautiful. Yeah, and to be here, we've been here all day. So to watch the lake go from like that real choppy, windy this morning to this, wow. Beautiful.
Yeah. Are we ready?
We are all packed up. We have got the kayak dried and drained. We have been kayaking all day at Sand Harbor.
Now we're going to take a little walk and see what we can see from above.
Yeah, we're going to do, there's a little trail, like a boardwalk thing.
I believe it is the East Shore Trail.
The East Shore Trail.
Yeah?
This is Sand Harbor main beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
We launched from the main beach. The kayak rentals are now on the main beach.
Cool.
All right, let's continue a little ways. And this is easy to walk on trail. This is really nice. Accessible trail.
Yeah, it's definitely a good way to just stretch out after the yakking all day.
Yep.
People getting burnt up. I see all kinds of sunburns happening right now.
Yeah, the sun is really intense. More intense than you would think. Reapply sunscreen more often than you need. Than you think you need.
They've got little placards and things to educate you along the way. This is neat. This is well done.
Here we go. I think this is a place where we could go down to the water.
Oh, you get a little...
one of those little pools is right here.
The trail leads you down in here. Cool.
And there is a bench right there too. 2 benches actually.
Oh yeah.
I think we went this way last time. I think we discovered this before. Oh look. We kayaked right here.
Oh yeah, this is where we're hanging out, I think.
Mm-hmm. We're just right in there. There's all these little places where you can go off-roading and discover things. Look.
It seems like they encourage you to do it too.
What's down in there? Whoa. Yeah, would you look at that? Dang, look at all the fish.
Right here. Yeah, they're all over. I see them out there too. You can even you can see them way out there.
I know. So cool to see them underneath that rock. Here we go. Yes. Beautiful. That's an awesome spot.
Yeah, that's like the best spot in Tahoe.
So
this is great.
Beautiful.
Wow. Yeah.
What a great day.
Yeah, I love today. Today was so much fun. We launched from Sand Harbor. We paddled all the way up to Hidden Beach. Then we paddled back to Sand Harbor.
And a little bit further.
And then a little bit further.
And then we decided to turn around because we had been on the water for 5 hours.
Yeah, and that sun is brutal. I mean, you can see we're both kind of getting hit a little bit.
Yep, everyone's pretty crispy from the intense sun. Look at Husband Burger with his Lake Tahoe camouflage again.
I'm just a floating head.
So beautiful back there.
Well, anyway, yeah, let's
on to the next thing.
On to the next thing.
Let's call Sand Harbor an adventure.
Let's call it an adventure.